Hey everybody, here's my bird again. Yeah, my first episode was my king being a king, which is the bird. He's a guy. He's not aggressive, he's just shy a little bit. Yeah, he's been with us for a couple of weeks. I could say 3 weeks, almost 4. Oh, jeez. Right, buddy? Huh? He really likes that. Yes you do, yes you do. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you can't see him. There you go. Say hi. Yeah, that's his hello. And his name is Blue. As you can see, he's blue with green, and there's a little bit of red, but he needs to turn around for you to see. Like, right there. If you could see that down there. Wait a minute. Come here, buddy. Down there somewhere. You could probably see it a little bit. It's a little difficult. Let me zoom in here. Turn your buddy. There you go. See that red? That's his red tail. And here is him trying to escape from his prison. He's free, prison, free, prison. Let's come say hi. He's scared of the camera. Mishap, never mind, it's okay. Say hi before they leave. No? Buddy? Say hi. Shake your paw. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Huh?